10 reasons to use castor oil for skincare. Castor, or Ricinus communis, is a versatile tree which has multiple uses. Other than biodiesel, industrial uses, and traditional medicine, one of the biggest areas where castor oil is used is cosmetics. But we bet that you did not think that the use of castor oil for skincare is such a big topic that it's worth a separate video. Keep our channel subscribed so that you can learn more about skincare. So, let us now see 10 reasons why castor oil is used in skincare products. Number 1. Its composition. Castor oil, which is a colorless or pale yellow oil with a thick, viscous consistency, is extracted from the seeds of the castor plant through a pressing process. In addition to its primary component, ricinoleic acid, castor oil contains other fatty acids such as oleic acid and linoleic acid. This composition makes it a valuable ingredient in various cosmetic formulations, including creams, lotions, soaps, and hair care products. Number 2. Moisturizing properties. The fatty acids in castor oil, particularly ricinoleic acid, help moisturize and hydrate the skin. It can be especially beneficial for those with dry or dehydrated skin. Because of these moisturizing properties, castor oil is used as a natural remedy for chapped lips. Applying a small amount to the lips can help moisturize and heal dry, cracked skin. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ricinoleic acid has anti-inflammatory properties, making castor oil effective in reducing inflammation and soothing irritated skin. This property is often utilized in skincare applications. Thanks to this property, castor oil is used in the production of soap for sensitive skin. Number 4. Antibacterial properties. Castor oil exhibits antibacterial properties, making it effective against certain bacteria. It can be used topically to address skin infections and promote a healthy skin environment. Because of this, castor oil makes it a potential ingredient in products designed to address acne and blemishes. Number 5. Antifungal properties. The antifungal properties of castor oil make it effective in addressing fungal infections on the skin, such as ringworm. It can be applied topically to affected areas. Number 6. Anti-aging benefits. The antioxidant properties of castor oil can help fight free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging. Regular use may reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is also, number 7, a natural emollient. Castor oil is a rich emollient, providing intense moisturization to the skin. It helps in preventing moisture loss and keeping the skin hydrated. As a natural emollient, it also smoothens and softens the skin, contributing to its use in skincare products like creams and lotions. Some facial serums and treatment products may contain castor oil for its emollient quality to give soothing effects on the skin. Number 8. A penetration enhancer. It is sometimes used as a penetration enhancer in cosmetic formulations, helping other active ingredients penetrate the skin more effectively. This property, accompanied by its lubricating properties, makes it one of the best bases for massage oils. Number 9. Natural cleanser. Castor oil can be used as a natural cleanser to remove dirt, makeup, and impurities from the skin. Its thick consistency allows it to bind to impurities, making it effective in cleansing the pores. Number 10. Reduce scars. Regular use of castor oil may contribute to the reduction of scars and blemishes. The oil helps in promoting the growth of healthy tissue, which can aid in minimizing the appearance of scars over time. As we mentioned at the beginning of this video, castor oil is very versatile. This is why we cannot skip the fact that castor oil is believed to promote the growth of eyebrows and eyelashes, and is also included in hair care products. You can now start searching for skincare products with castor oil with no fear, and keep in touch for more similar content.